Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Close CRM. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you set up the Close CRM dialer to make phone calls? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up the dialer in your Close CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, making outbound phone calls to your prospects, you're going to have to set up the dialer. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Close CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Close CRM and this is the dashboard. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know in order for this to work, you had to have already purchased a phone number in Close CRM to use. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that process in detail. But a quick overview, you're going to click right here on settings here on the bottom left, the gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu and you're going to click here on phone and voicemail. Once you click there, you're going to see these four options and you want to click here on phone numbers and then you're going to click on new number. So once you have a phone number set up with Close CRM like I do right here, you can go ahead and set up the dialer. So from the home page, you're going to see this little phone icon here on the top right. Let me go back to the home screen. Okay, so as you can see, the phone icon is still there. You're going to click on that. So here they're going to ask you to set up the notifications. Go ahead and enable that. Okay, once you do that, this menu is going to open up. So first off, you want to go ahead and choose your caller ID phone number. So I only have one phone number in my Close CRM. It's right here. So I'll choose that. Here you can go ahead and choose to auto record your calls. If you click this on, it's going to give you this warning right here having to do with your state or federal laws. Be sure you read through that. And if you want, you can click I accept. Okay, here you're going to choose your audio settings. So output, I'm going to choose my ear pods, ringing. I'm going to choose it on my computer speakers and then the microphone. So I'm going to use okay, next you're going to go ahead and enter in the number that you're going to dial. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and just click on the phone button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up your Close CRM dialer, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.